Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about Superlift's 6-inch 4-link lift kit for the 2017 F250 and 350 with 4-wheel drive and a diesel engine. Now this is going to be a complete front and rear kit for your truck that is designed to upgrade your factory suspension components while giving you that desired lift. This lift kit comes with tubular 4-link arms designed to optimize suspension control and tire wear by limiting caster change through the cycle of the suspension. They also utilize reflex bushings for excellent vibration dampening, flexibility, and durability while giving your truck a truly custom look. This kit also comes with new shocks, coil springs, and lift blocks, along with all the hardware necessary to give you that desired stance while maintaining near factory ride quality. Now with this kit, Superlift says that you can fit up to a 40-inch tire with the correct offset and back spacing. So just make sure you double check that before you purchase your wheels and tires. This kit also comes with a limited lifetime warranty to the original purchaser, and we ship them for free to anywhere in the lower 48 states. Now if you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.